Have you ever wondered how to clone your voice using AI? Well, you're not alone. AI voice cloning, a revolutionary technology that's been evolving rapidly over the past few years, is piquing interest worldwide. Imagine being able to digitally replicate your own voice, with all its unique inflections and nuances, using nothing but artificial intelligence. Incredible, right? AI voice cloning is a fascinating blend of voice synthesis and deep learning. It's not just about mimicking sounds, but understanding and replicating the subtle nuances that make each voice unique. Over the years, it has found a myriad of uses across the tech industry, from voice assistants like Siri and Alexa, to narrating audiobooks, to generating voiceovers for animations. AI voice cloning is changing the game. Now you might be asking, how can I clone my own voice? Well, sit tight, because we're about to dive into that. Before we start, it's important to understand the basics of AI voice cloning. Voice cloning, simply put, is the process of creating a digital copy of a person's voice. It's like a vocal fingerprint, unique to the individual. The technology that powers this is artificial intelligence, specifically a type of machine learning known as deep learning. Imagine teaching a child to speak. You'd show them pictures and repeat words, right? Training an AI model isn't that different. You feed it data, in this case audio samples, and the AI learns to mimic that voice. The more data it gets, the better it becomes at emulating the voice. This is why high-quality audio samples are crucial. They provide a rich source of data for the AI to learn from. Now let's talk about text-to-speech engines, the backbone of voice cloning. These engines convert written text into spoken words. But here's the thing, they don't just read the text out loud. No, they go a step further. They analyze the text and apply the right intonation, pitch, speed, and other nuances that make speech sound natural. The process of training an AI to clone voices involves two main steps. First, the AI is trained on a vast data set of human voices. This is called the pre-training phase, where the AI learns to understand and generate human speech in general. The second step is fine-tuning. Here, the AI is trained on a specific voice. Maybe it's your voice or a celebrity's voice. The AI listens to hours of this specific voice, learning its unique characteristics and idiosyncrasies. And voila, the AI can now generate speech that sounds just like the specific voice it was trained on. Voice cloning has a myriad of applications, from personalizing digital assistants to creating realistic voiceovers for animations. But it's not just about creating cool tech. It's about breaking barriers, enabling people who have lost their voice to communicate, and creating new ways for us to interact with technology. With these foundations, we're ready to move on to the actual steps of cloning a voice. Now that we understand the basics, we can start with our step-by-step guide to voice cloning. First, we begin with recording voice samples. This is a crucial step, as the quality of your voice clone will largely depend on the quality of these samples. You'll need to record a variety of phrases and sentences that cover a wide range of vocal tones and inflections. Remember, the more diverse your samples, the better your voice clone will be. So don't be shy, let your voice shine in all its multifaceted glory. Next, we move on to training the AI. This is where the magic happens. Using a process called machine learning, the AI studies your voice samples, learning the unique characteristics of your voice, from the way you pronounce vowels to the subtle lilt at the end of your sentences. Think of it as the AI getting to know you on an audio level. The training process can take a while, depending on the complexity of your voice and the power of your computer. But don't worry, you don't have to sit and watch. You can go about your day, and the AI will diligently work in the background, absorbing the nuances of your voice. Once the AI is fully trained, we move on to the final step, generating the cloned voice. This is the moment of truth. Here, the AI will use what it has learned to mimic your voice. It will generate speech that sounds like you, even if it's saying something you've never said before. It's like having a vocal doppelganger. But remember, a voice clone isn't perfect. It's not a carbon copy of your voice, and there will be occasional discrepancies. However, with the right samples and training, these discrepancies can be minimized, and you'll have a voice clone that's eerily similar to your own. And there you have it, a cloned voice. But don't rush off just yet. We still have more to cover. You might be wondering, what's the point of cloning my voice? Well, here's the exciting part. You can make money with it. AI voice cloning is more than a fascinating technological marvel. It holds the potential to open up a whole new world of income opportunities. Let's delve into some of the ways you can monetize this revolutionary technology. Firstly, consider offering voiceover services. With a cloned voice, you don't necessarily have to spend hours in a recording studio. Your digital clone can do the work for you. Imagine providing voiceover services for commercials, explainer videos, or animation projects, all while you enjoy a cup of coffee at your leisure. Secondly, think about the booming audiobook market. By cloning your voice, you can essentially become a narrator working around the clock. This allows you to produce more content in less time, which means more potential income. It's like having a twin who's just as talented but never needs a break. Thirdly, there's the burgeoning field of voice applications. From virtual assistants to interactive gaming experiences, voice is becoming an integral part of the user interface. With a unique, cloned voice, you can offer a fresh sound to developers and companies looking to stand out in this growing market. However, like any technology, AI voice cloning comes with its own set of risks and ethical considerations. It's crucial to always seek the explicit permission of the individual whose voice is being cloned. Additionally, always use this technology responsibly, avoiding any deceptive or harmful applications. Let's not forget about copyright issues as well. Make sure to check and comply with all relevant laws and regulations in your region when offering your cloned voice for commercial use. Finally, keep in mind that success won't come overnight. It takes time to build a reputation and clientele. Be patient, persistent, and professional in all your dealings. As you can see, AI voice cloning isn't just a fun tech trick. It can be a lucrative side gig or even a full-time career. We've covered a lot today, from the basics of AI voice cloning to how to make money with it. We've demystified the process, breaking it down into manageable steps so you can create your own AI voice clone. We've also explored the various ways to monetize your cloned voice, from creating personalized audio content to offering unique services to businesses. But what does the future hold for AI voice cloning? The possibilities are, quite frankly, astounding. As technology continues to evolve, we can expect AI voice cloning to become even more sophisticated. We're likely to see improvements in voice quality, making clones sound even more like the original voice. This will open up even more opportunities for creatives and entrepreneurs alike. Moreover, we may see AI voice cloning becoming more accessible and user-friendly, making it possible for virtually anyone to create and use their own voice clones. This democratization of technology could lead to a whole new era of personalized digital content. And let's not forget the potential for AI voice cloning to revolutionize industries. From customer service to entertainment, the potential applications are vast and varied. As we venture further into the era of AI, voice cloning stands as a testament to the incredible advancements we've made. It's an exciting field, ripe with potential and brimming with opportunities. So, are you ready to clone your voice and make your mark in the world of AI? Remember, the future is in your voice.